Welcome to Studio Video, folks. I'm your friendly host, James Thomas. This is where I introduce you to fashion models and photographers, demonstrate how I draw their charcoal portraits, I share my most recent commissions, and hopefully set some dope art on your wall. So if that's interesting, please like and subscribe for more continual content. Today, we're going to give a bit of love back to you viewers by showing appreciation for co-workers. I've received a commission from my brother Peter all the way out in Hong Kong, wanting to show one of his employees how much he appreciates her hard work. Here's our commission model, Mary. Guys, this request was a little tricky as we had two different images to source from, and neither one of them exactly portrait ready. But I can't let anyone down. It's gonna be up to me to find what features I wanna pluck from the different images to put together a really nice portrait. Well, gang, let's see how this turns out. Boom! Here's Mary looking sharp. If there's something I know about, it's making hard work look as good as possible. Mary, I hope this portrait does your hard work justice and hangs well in your home or office. Peter, thank you so much for continuing to reach out to me and have me draw people that mean the most to you. Zishi Wada Pengyao. Wuha Zishi Woman de Yoyi. Guys, if doing something like this sounds interesting, please follow the link up here to help get you started. Please like and subscribe for more continual content. And until next time, sketch you later.